Welcome to The Roar, your source for all Milton Middle School news. My name is Cam, and here are this week's top stories. First is this week's Sports Spotlight, tennis.
Why'd you join the tennis team?
Because I like playing tennis.
Maddie, how do you win in tennis? I'm so curious.
By keeping the ball in play.
How do you do that?
I don't know, but just like hitting it.
What's your favorite thing about tennis?
Serving.
Hey Tristan, how many wins do you have on the tennis team?
4.
Why did you join the tennis team?
To smack a ball really hard and to play with my friend Tristan.
What's your favorite thing about tennis?
Winning.
And now we head to the kitchen with our culinary experts, Reagan and Willow.
Welcome to the first annual Reagan
And Willow's
Baking Show!
Today we are making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies for the start of fall. For the first two ingredients, we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda.
For the next 2 ingredients, we're going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And in our big bowl, we have 2 cups of flour. And we're gonna mix this together for 20 seconds. First, you're going to need 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Now we're gonna go pop this over to the stand mixer and mix it until combined.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Yeah,
No,
Reagan, yes we are.
no, we're not. We have
Yes,
these
we are.
ingredients.
No, Reagan, look at the thing. I already talked about this with you.
What?
Yes, look, it says mix them together and then you add egg, vanilla, and pumpkin. Remember, that's what I said. That's why I was gonna do that first.
Okay. Cut that out, obviously.
Obvi, Mr. Richards. Gosh. Okay, now we mix.
Now we're gonna add 1 cup of pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg.
Now we mix. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. You're just gonna start with a little bit at a time. And now we mix. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips. You can add however much you want, but we're using milk chocolate chips. You can use dark or semi-sweet.
Or white chocolate.
Now you just need 2 spoons, and you're just gonna place them on your baking sheet, and your oven is at 350. It helps to preheat the oven. Now you're gonna set your timer for 11 minutes.
And see you whenever the cookies are done. Weren't those cookies amazing?
They were. If you want the recipe, follow the link down below. This has been Reagan
And Willow's
Baking Show!
Those looked good, but not my favorite. Speaking of baked goods, for this week's Panther Picks, we asked you, what's your favorite baked good? Here's what you had to say.
What's your favorite baked good?
Cookies.
What's your favorite baked good?
Cake.
What is your favorite baked good?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Miss Steele, what's your favorite baked good?
Homemade chocolate chip cookies.
What's your all's favorite baked good?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies. What's your favorite baked good?
Double chunk chocolate cookie. It's a boom!
What is your favorite baked good?
Probably chocolate chip cookies.
What is your favorite baked good?
Probably chocolate chip cookies.
Hey Brooklyn, what's your favorite baked good?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Hey Ethan, what's your favorite baked good?
Peanut butter cookies.
Fortnite kid. What's your favorite baked good?
Probably be a pumpkin pie, I'd say.
Probably like apple pie. Favorite baked good? Cookies.
What's your favorite baked good?
Probably like a cookie or something.
What's your favorite baked good?
Apple pie.
Miss Fowler, what's your favorite baked good?
My mother's strawberry cake she makes me for my birthday every year.
Dakota, what's your favorite baked good?
Probably like cookies.
What's your favorite baked good?
All of the above. What's your favorite baked good?
Probably cupcakes.
What's your favorite baked good?
Banana bread.
What's your favorite baked good?
Chocolate chip cookie.
Your favorite baked good?
Chocolate cake.
Okay. What's your favorite baked good?
Probably cookies.
Oh my.
What is your favorite baked good?
A chocolate chip cookie.
What is your favorite baked good?
Cake.
What's your favorite baked good?
Brownies.
Hey Braylon, what's your favorite baked good?
Sugar cookies.
What's your favorite baked good?
Brownies. Favorite baked good? Cookies. What's your favorite baked good?
Cookies.
What is your favorite baked good?
Brownies.
Miss Hayes, what's your favorite baked good?
Definitely a croissant.
Ooh.
Hey Mr. Good, what's your favorite? What's your favorite baked good?
Baked spaghetti.
Like cookies or something, like sweets.
Baked spaghetti with sugar on top.
What's your favorite baked good?
The like tiny cupcakes with the different colored icing from Walmart.
Okay. You?
Triple chocolate fudge brownies with sprinkles on top.
Oh, okay.
What is your favorite baked good?
Pumpkin bread.
What is your favorite baked good?
A cupcake.
What's your favorite baked good?
I think all of it. I belong in Big Back Central.
What's your favorite baked good?
Chocolate chip cookie.
Cam, what's your favorite baked good?
Deep dish pizza.
Mr. Colgrove, what's your favorite baked good?
My favorite baked good is chocolate chip cookies. No, wait a minute. Apple pie. No. Actually, it is the chocolate chip cookies, but they have to have walnuts on them.
Well, that's it for this week. please make sure to like, follow, and subscribe on all socials at Milton Middle School. And remember, go Panthers!
Baking show!
I like that.
Me too, that's good. Okay.
You know, like cookies.
Don't tell her, don't give her ideas.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the roller.
Okay, I'm really sorry, Willow.